and try to design simple layout for sign in. So what you think he will enter? He will enter his email, and I see this is not good way for adding your data, so it's better using this relative layout. So make sure you add this one for email inside it and add button inside it, and also you have something for password. Yes, here you go. This is the password added here. Make sure you organize everything well. So yes, here you go. So for the hint here, you say enter email for sure. Enter email. Should we enter here and start working? So here for sign in, I now have sign in anonymous. Let me just add button. So you will see this one created. For sure you have auth for sign in. For sure, first of all, you need to identify authentication credentials. So I say auth credentials. So I say auth credential. You say credential. Okay, define it, and you say equal email auth provider dot get credential. You have to give it the username and password. So the username, this will be email dot get text dot toString. Make sure also you have the password will be password dot get text dot toString. Here you go. I'm done for the authentication. Now I want to sign in for this username and password. So to do sign in, just you remember you have mauth dot, but now we did not use the old method. We say get current user, then you say dot link with the credential, then you say credential, and we say dot add on complete listener. Will have two parameter as you remember this dot new on complete listener, just complete listener, and that is. So now just linking with the user name or user email and password. If I just click sign in or run again, did you see what happened for when the app was started? Directly he will run this method. So here already, if it's sign in, he will do sign in operation or do sign out operation. So you could disable button for sign if it's you sign in. If it's sign out, you disable the one for sign out, or if it's sign in, you disable the one for the sign in, so you could see the result correctly. So yes, here is it, the app now. Everything is correct. So let me enter the email. And the password. So if I click sign in, I have to have the user. If I already log in, I hope I will have it now. See, I have the user with this email and password. So if you see, that's great. Now I have everything is good, and I know how I could log in with the email and password. All our methods same way. You just change only this part for authentication or for login. This part, as I told you, this part, that's what I'm talking about. And this part you change it now. Now you understand how it's easy to log into the system and how it's easy to pass username and password, and you see it here. And the most important part now you have it is user UID. If you remember, this one is user UID, so it's really easy to provide layout for users, allow them to log in with their email and password. Their email and password will be saved in the database, and you will have here the user UID. You could save it as shared reference, and later on when you want to call this user, you call it by user ID. As I told you, now you could also call not only user ID, you just get email, because now this type of user have email, because as we remember, we entered username and password, so now you could get email. When you log in with Google account, you could get the supply name, because Google account have email and the supply name and other stuff, and have also photo URL with Google account. But now in this account, because it's only email and password, you could access only to get UID and get email. So see it how much is easy and how much you could create authentication system without doing any database relation, other stuff. You could just create layout and you get user UID in your application and you could do your operation. Here we done, and thank you for watching.